Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can use Dettol Antiseptic and you clear up all your dark spots, acne, and pimples, backing pimples. Yeah, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how my mommy's skin was looking like and how it became like that just because of the way she used Dettol Antiseptic Liquid. Look at it, it's very good for acne. It fights acne, pimples, and dark spots on the skin if at all you use it the right way. So all you're going to be doing, if at all you're facing acne, pimples, and black spots, all you need to do, you just have to get Dettol, the original one, then put it into water, like a half cup of water, yeah, or 1 cup of water. Put one bottle cover into the water, start washing your face. But if at all you have pimples, not all over your face, then you're going to be putting, like, you put the cotton into Dettol, add in some little water in like half cup, then add in 1 bottle cover, then start putting the cotton into water, start applying it onto your face like this, everywhere, every place which is affected by acne or pimples. Trust me, you're going to be seeing your skin clearing within 3 to 4 days. Your skin is going to be clearing totally. You're going to be having this kind of skin. Before I had acne, when I was abroad, I used to have acne. They were coming out time to time, but when I tried Dettol Antiseptic Liquid, things turned normal. My skin became clear. As you can see, my skin. So Dettol, it's very good for those people who are having pimples, acne, and dark spots. You're going to be creating. My mom, she had acne, as you can see her photo, and now you see how she looks like. She totally turned to a brand new skin, which is looking young and very glowing because of Dettol. So guys, if at all this is your first time to click on my channel, please kindly